Hey guys, so in this video I'm going to teach you how to privatize all your Google search history or all your Google search on Chrome on your mobile device. So what you just have to do, you just have to go to the menu section and then you search for Chrome, which you have here. So when you click on Chrome, it brings you to the screen. So on this screen, what you just need to do, instead of you making your search directly from the search or type URL field here, what you just have to do is to click on the hamburger icon at the topmost right. You just click on it, and when you click on it, it pops these options to you. So what you just need to do is to click on this incognito tab. Now what do this new incognito tab actually do? It privatizes all your Google search. It makes you anonymous. It makes you go on Google and search whatever you want to search on Google. So it tends to privatize all your search history, and also your browsing history won't be saved. Cookies on the site won't be saved. Any data, as far as anything you do on this particular tab, won't be saved. So from here you can just click on search or type URL, and whatever you search for is not going to be saved, right? So even if someone else comes to your phone and uses your phone, he's not going to see whatever you search for on the device. As you can see, even here my I'm not signed in here because it's actually somehow like an anonymous, it's somehow like an anonymous part of your Chrome here. So these are, you can, so whatever you search here is just gonna, it's not going to be saved on your device. It's all going to be deleted immediately after you're done. So these are, you can actually privatize your activities, all searches you do on Google Chrome or your mobile device. So if you found this video helpful, please do it to subscribe, and if you enjoyed this content, just click on the notification bell so you'll be notified whenever I release new content. Thanks, and do have a nice day.